Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta. So today we will start with GitHub. Okay, so how we will create the account. So let's get started. GitHub account. So what you have to do, you have to sign it. You have to go to this link. Okay, and here you have to sign it. Okay, github.com. Okay, so what you have to do, same email ID you have to use in the git configuration also. So you just write and sign up. Okay, now it will ask to create a repository. You do click on plus and new repository. Okay, then you can give any name, do it public, private, as per the norms you have. Okay, I have used public. Now I will copy this link. Okay, and write in git remote add origin this. Okay, then git push set upstream original master. So what we are doing, specify that you are adding a remote repository, this specified URL as a origin to your local git repo. Okay, now we are pushing our master branch to original URL and set the default remote branch. Okay, it will take some time and it will be done. So your code will be like this, you can see. Okay, so now how you will add a repo. So it you have shown here. So remote add origin and URL. Okay, same thing you have to write, remote add and origin, then you have to submit and then click on show. So correctly like this you have to do. So if you have any question related to this, please do comment. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel, like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.